In this video, we're going to look at a number of key settings for the Ask AI tab in AI Admin Assistance. If you want better results from AI inside WordPress, these settings make a big difference. The first is additional context. Pull up the Help panel and then select the Additional Context checkbox. This allows AI Admin Assistance to include screen data, plugin context, and visible content in any queries you send. The more context you provide, the more accurate your answers become. The next is AI Chat History. This controls whether the current conversation continues with the next message you send. When enabled, AI Admin Assistance includes the current conversation's history when you send your next message, letting you ask follow-ups or clarifications. When disabled, each question is independent, which lets you start a new conversation. Finally, we've got role-based access. You can control who sees the Ask AI tab, which can be useful for limiting features or customizing experiences. For example, if you've got authors or contributors, using a workflow or guidance item to help them with the publishing process might be more useful than giving them access to the Ask AI tab. The goal here is simple: more relevant answers, less friction, and a better user experience. These settings let you use AI Admin Assistance exactly how you want it, either to help you or for your clients. Get started using the free version today from WordPress.org or visit our website to learn more about the pro version.